Have you ever wondered how something as simple as washing your feet with vinegar can transform your life, bringing money, success, and love? In this video, I will teach you an ancient ritual used not only to cleanse your feet, but also to purify your soul, revitalize your energy, and open doors to prosperity and love. This is not just a foot bath. It's an invitation to renew yourself completely. Stay with me and discover how ancient wisdom can illuminate your path to a bright future, using a practice that will be a catalyst for profound changes in your life. Before we continue, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family you love. Write in the comments how grateful you are for everything, and that you are open to receiving the blessings of the universe. Let your words echo to infinity, to attract everything you desire. Now, let's get to what really matters. The problem many face today is the feeling of stagnation and blockage in various areas of life, whether financial or in love life. It seems like money slips through your fingers, success never arrives, and love is just a distant dream. This generates frustration, anxiety, and even despair. Deep down, we all seek a solution that frees us from these invisible bonds, something that allows us to attract all the good we deserve. This problem is reflected in sleepless nights, accumulating bills, and deteriorating relationships. It's a feeling of being trapped in an endless cycle of negativity. Modern life distances us from the simple and powerful practices our ancestors used to maintain balance and attract prosperity. This is precisely where the ritual of washing your feet with vinegar comes into play. It seems unlikely that such an ancient and seemingly common practice could contain such magic. But the truth is that vinegar has an impressive history of beneficial uses. You will be surprised by this simple ritual using white vinegar, coarse salt, and black peppercorns. Stay with me as I will teach you exactly what you need to do to get the best out of this simple technique. First, I need to talk about the 3 ingredients. Let's start with vinegar. The power of vinegar in this ritual is ancestral. Besides being a popular condiment, vinegar has been valued for its healing and energetic properties over the centuries. In ancient Greece and Egypt, it was known as oxycat, and used to purify and energize. Its use for spiritual and cleansing purposes dates back millennia, symbolizing renewal and purification. Coarse salt, in turn, is a powerful agent of spiritual purification, used in cleansing and protection rituals. It is known for its ability to absorb negative energies and protect the energy field of those who use it. Incorporating coarse salt into the foot washing ritual amplifies the purification power of vinegar, ensuring unwanted energies are eliminated. Black pepper is another crucial ingredient. Besides its culinary use, black pepper is revered in various cultures for its protective properties. In rituals, it is used to ward off negative influences and strengthen spiritual protection. Adding black peppercorns to the foot washing ritual enhances the effectiveness of the process, creating a barrier against negativity and attracting positive energies. Another important point to observe before performing the technique is gratitude. The practice of expressing gratitude before achieving your desires is a fundamental teaching. Feel grateful for the benefits even before they manifest. This anticipatory gratitude aligns you with the universe, attracting everything you desire more easily. It is also important to know the benefits it will bring to your life. The ritual of washing your feet with vinegar has the power to increase your energy and vitality, helping to release accumulated negativity and reconnect with the earth and your own essence. This energy renewal can have a direct impact on your finances and prosperity, bringing mental clarity and opening paths to new opportunities. Furthermore, by feeling more centered and balanced, your personal relationships can also improve. A renewed heart and a clear mind reflect in more harmonious and loving interactions with others. Regular practice of this ritual helps maintain focus on positive energies, warding off negativities that can affect your well-being and personal success. The feet are energy portals that connect us to the earth. Releasing tension and negative energies through the feet is a powerful form of purification. The practice of washing feet with vinegar emphasizes this connection, helping to rebalance the energies of the body and mind. The solution to your problems is within your reach, literally. Vinegar, with its purifying and energizing properties, can be the transformative element you need. Preparing the ritual is simple, but requires attention and intention. Here are the detailed steps for you to perform the ritual effectively. First, let's get the ingredients you need. The first and main one is white vinegar, used for its purifying and energizing properties, helping to eliminate negative energies and promote renewal. The second is coarse salt, used for its spiritual cleansing abilities, helping to purify and protect the energy field. Lastly, we will use black peppercorns to ward off negative influences and bring protection, enhancing the purifying effect of the ritual. With the ingredients ready, you will need a clean glass jar. Then, add a generous amount of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of coarse salt, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Close the jar and shake the mixture well. Let the jar rest in a quiet and dark place for a week, like inside a cabinet. This time allows the ingredients to combine and potentiate their energies. You can use it before this time, but waiting helps accumulate more energy. With the jar ready for the technique, choose a quiet place where you will not be interrupted. An environment with a comfortable temperature is ideal. To create a serene atmosphere, you can light an aromatic candle or incense. Relaxing instrumental music can also help elevate the vibration of the environment. Take a basin and mix warm water with half of the prepared vinegar, coarse salt, and black pepper mixture. Sit comfortably and place your feet in the basin. While your feet are immersed, close your eyes and breathe deeply. Repeat mentally or aloud the positive affirmation: all is well. I am within myself. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart, because I feel renewed. Keep your feet in the mixture for at least 20 minutes, allowing the energies of the ingredients to purify not only your feet, but also your mind and spirit. Feel the negativity dissipating and new energy taking over you. This ritual is simple but deeply meaningful, incorporating ancient practices and metaphysical beliefs. Incorporating this ritual into your routine can promote holistic well-being, increasing energy, prosperity, and improving relationships. By following this ritual, you not only take care of your body, but also your mind and spirit. Focusing on positive energies and distancing yourself from negativities is crucial for personal well-being and success. When you purify your body and mind, you make room for new energies and opportunities. Vinegar, with its healing properties, acts as a catalyst for this transformation. Now it's time to act. Prepare your vinegar, coarse salt, and black pepper mixture, and start your renewal ritual. Feel the benefits in your life and share your experience with others. Remember to keep your mind and heart open to receiving all the blessings the universe has to offer. Your journey of transformation begins now. Use the power of vinegar to purify your feet, and with that, your life. Gratitude is the key, and the constant practice of this ritual can open doors to a more prosperous and love-filled future. Let's embark on this journey of transformation together. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Buddhism Philosophy, like, and share this video. Remember, gratitude opens doors to all the blessings the universe has reserved for you. Gratitude, renewal, and prosperity are within your reach.